Hello, guys. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. This puzzle is not in today's newspaper on Wednesday, December the 28th, 2022. No, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. No, it's the additional of a while ago, Monday, December the 5th, 2022. Yes, and I've already solved two puzzles, the ladder Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. So now it's time for the third and last puzzle, the Tectonic. Tectonic with 1 star, yes. And this one, the cipher block in Dutch. In Japanese they call it Suguru. This one will be number 5703. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. It's indicated with 1 star. So I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Is this really a 1 star? We will see, so let's get started. First question is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Here 1, there 1. Can we see here dual boxes? See here dual box, there dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Here, I cannot fill this yet. I need to mark those 2 boxes. Could be everywhere. 1 and the 2. Next question. Do we have here triple boxes? Let me check. Oh, overlook this dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Alright. Triple box, no triple boxes. Quadra boxes. I see here 1 quadra box. And there a quadra box in the L shape. And when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. Here, the numbers 3 and the 2 are given. So those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. Do not know in which order. With more quadra boxes, no. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or construction that you need to recognize. And the first that you need to recognize is this L shape. Let me draw the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more L shapes? With 5 boxes, not with 4. Alright. No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Okay. Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Do we have more? No, only 2. Oh no, here, the third one. This box has the same number as that box. And then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 1 can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround a 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround a 2 can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surround a 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then yeah. Let me think. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, but also that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then. Yeah. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this L shape area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 5 goes and there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers are left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. Then. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I need to think here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 1. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes and there. We go up. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area and should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Then this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area and should be there. So 2 numbers are left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. I think this box. 2 numbers are left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. And the last 2 numbers in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes. So it's correct for 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic. Playlists for the binaries. Playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudoku. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.